We do have a suspected fire. Airtel 8, if you can take off and go search the area grid B1. Airtel 10, you can come in and take a look. The water bomber, you can go stage and go to the air.
Located 2 hotspots in sector Bravo 1.
Yeah, if you can vacate to A3, Alpha 3, we will have the water bomber proceed into Bravo 1. Airtel 8, I can see you loitering. Yeah, we can see you coming in on approach. Yeah, you've crossed the fire.
Proceeding through Bravo 1 and confirm no hotspots detected.
Mission Manager, this is Airtel 8. Airtel 8 also confirms high-level scan that the fire appears to be extinguished.
Excellent. Yeah, we have Airtel 10, you're offline. I see that. Great. Great work, you guys.